What's going on, everybody? Wanted to jump on here and give you a little sneak peek of what we're going to be doing over the next 2 weeks. So, our assignment here is going to be broken up over the next 2 weeks, and it is called the Do Nothing Machine. Essentially, the purpose for us getting involved with this is I wanted you guys to actually see the capabilities of assembly and the capabilities of animation, as well as I'm thinking by the end of this, you guys will truly see why this is so important for mass production and manufacturing. So this is the one that I went through and built. Um, in the first week, what you guys are going to do is you're going to create the multiple parts that are going to be needed for assembly. So this is the base, this is the handle pin, this is the handle itself, this is the pin for the slider, and here's the slider. Not necessarily in that order. Um, Eventually, what'll happen is you guys will create an assembly file. You'll dump all those files in there, and we're going to constrain them so that it's able to do what I went through and showed you. So I'm thinking you guys can, in the first week, be able to make all the parts, do a little reflection on that, and then in the second week, we'll be able to practice some of the things we've learned with constraints and assembly. I'm hoping that you guys are still getting a lot out of this. I'm still trying to make the best of what is for you guys. And if there is anything that I can do to help you, feel free to reach out and email me so we can set up a time to conference. Again, miss you guys, and feel free to reach out if you need anything for this class or any others. Take care, everybody.